Leanna, look.
Oh, what's in there?
Present.
A present? Well, I want to see the present. Will you open it up so I can see the present that you got? Come on. You can play with that later. Let's open up your present.
Clock.
Yeah, the clock. Look at that. What is that? Does that button do something?
Cookies.
Oh, that. Does that play music? It turns on the music? What is that button for?
Yeah, it turns it on.
Huh?
Here, Nana, come here, look.
We want you to open the present so we can send the picture to your grandma.
Pull the paper off.
Oh, I want to see what that is. Wow. It's a present from Grandma. Oh. There we go. Oh, language.
Hey, go.
Oh, thank you. Open it up all the way so we can see what it is. Because Grandma sent that for you. And that pretty dress you got. Ooh, what is it? Chill.
Cook.
Now, just tear all that paper off. Just tear all that paper off. We want to see what present Leanna got. Oh my golly. Look at her. Tear that paper off. Wow. Boy, Grandma, you really got strong paper. You got strong paper. Tear it up so we can see what's inside. Come on, let's see what else is inside there, Leanna. Come on. Come on, we want to see what's in there, honey. Children. Thank you. Now, memory. Oh, careful. Come on, Pumpkinhead. She likes my table. Oh, Jenny.
Oh,
Oh, it's okay. You can put it right back on there. Yay! Back on there. Wow. Oh, whoop. You put it right back on there. Right back. Yay! Yay!
no. Apple.
You're so beautiful.
No.
Yes. I want to see what Grandma got you.
Yay!
Yay! She put it back on, didn't she, Mom? Huh? Did she put it back on? Huh? Oh, come on.
Push. No.
Push, push.
No.
No, push. Plays music in the front. Look at it.
The pencil cup is for holding pencils.
What does that say? What does that say?
Should turn it back off.
Turn
Look.
it back on.
1, 3, 4. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. Whistler and play. My pillow is so fun. I draw and learn.
Can you make
Letters,
that
numbers,
motion better?
faces. It's fun to learn with you. Baby.
Oh, the baby. Yay. Turn it back